Hello guys, I just want to give you some update on a killing I just had. I set up this threading I think 2 days back from this top, from this point, from this point. Good. About three places when I saw the sloping of the market, so I had to short it. And as you can observe from there, is a killing I'm currently making right now. And it's awesome. Just glad to show you this update. If you want to learn how to set up this kind of market again, um, I want you to comment on the section below. Comments killing, comment killing on the comment section. You'll be having access on the free training where I'll be teaching how to get this kind of killing. Look at result. Boy, are you seeing this? Are you seeing it? It's live, as you can see, over 100k, over 100k net. Awesome. Look at it. Look at it. Look at this. Look at this. You're seeing it's live. And I'm closing this market, taking profit around this point. Taking profit around this point. Okay. As you can see, that's gonna be, I'm expecting over 150k from this killing. Awesome. Just 3 days. Beautiful. This is H1, as you can see, is V75 index H1. Okay, this is awesome, massive, as you can see from here. I'm super glad I made this kind of killing. If you want to know, comment on the section. Comment killing. You will be qualified for the training we are giving on who want to get this kind of killing, know when to set market and cut the market and be on profit. Huge profit. Look at it. 37k, 38k. I just set up this one right now. It's on 1.5 already a few minutes ago. Wonderful. Over 113,500 and something. I'm expecting 150k on this killing, as you're seeing from here. Beautiful. If you love it, let me see your comment. React, and please do well to subscribe to this channel and put on the notification bell so that you will be able to know when we release content like this that will empower you to greatness. Okay, this is beautiful. If you like it, let me hear your comment on the comment section. Killing, and you're gonna be qualified for the free training we're giving for this kind of training. Thank you very much, and do have a wonderful day.